Hello everyone, it's your girl Allison. I'm back again with another video, you guys. Yes, so I'm so excited. Yeah, I can't wait to show you guys Valentine nail. This is another Valentine nail that I will be actually creating as a sculpture nail, but this one will be this one's actually going to be ombre. So it's going to be in a vertical, so I'm going to do it vertical ombre. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do that, which is vertical ombre. So I'm also going to be using these stickers that I got. You won't believe where I actually got these at. These you can actually get it at Sally's, and guess where else I saw it? At the dollar store. You won't believe it, but yeah, at the dollar store. So you guys, it has 21 stickers in there. We're going to use one of these to put on the nail. So also, I want to welcome everyone who is new to my channel. Welcome, you guys. So we're going to dive in. So I just wanted to show you the colors that I'm actually using. I'm going to be using this electric purple. This is how it looks. And I'm going to also be using this future pink. And I'm going to also use clear powder. That's going to be the base before I apply the colors to it. And I'm going to also use the nail extension sticker that I will actually place on the practice finger, you guys. And also I will be using 70% alcohol to remove the sticky residue from the nail once I put the top coat and base coat on. And I'm going to be using 100% cotton ball. So I'm using that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and dive in. I'm going to be using this dapping dish. This dapping dish, as you can see right here. I'm going to be using this with the bonding acrylic liquid. You're going to need that. All right, and now I'm going to go ahead and get everything situated. Now, we're going to put this on. And just place it on there like this. I always try to get it underneath the nail itself and position it the way I want it. There you go. All right, I'm going to use the clear first. Get that underneath there so you guys can see. All right. We're going to put that there. Okay, we're going to put the clear to the side. And we're going to do the ombre now. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do the ombre.
Alright, you guys, that's done. And I'm gonna get everything situated and just let it sit there to dry. And we're gonna talk about these stickers. You guys, I don't know which one I actually want to use today. So let's open it up together. Let's see what we got in here. I'm excited. This is what contains 21 stickers, as it says. Okay. Alright. That's what it says. So, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and what? Maybe I missed the number, you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 3. Okay, so maybe they're counting the XOX as one, maybe. So let's see. Anyways, so which ones should we use? Just wanted you guys to see how that look. Oh, it's pretty good. So it's a vertical ombre. I don't know if you can see it real good, but once I start filing it and getting it right, you're gonna see what I'm packing it in. Let's try it. So I don't know if I want to do, should we do hearts and love or X and X, X and OX? Maybe we might do a little something different. You know how I like how it has like this part to let you know this goes like on the top, like somewhere up in the top, and then I have this one in the bottom, the way it's shaped for you to know that it goes, that you can put it down the bottom. But in here it doesn't tell you where you got. I guess you can put it anywhere on your finger or whatever. That's cool. Yeah, so you hear that clicking sound? And we're there. So let's see how it actually came out. Ooh. Wow, look at that, y'all. See how it looks? Alright, I'm going to put underneath the light. And we're going to pick out what color we want. Not color, but what sticker we want. Excuse me, guys. So, let's see. So, you guys, I think I want to do, because I know Valentine's is coming up. So, I think I'm going for, maybe I'm going to do, like, the love. And maybe, like, two of these little hearts. I think that'd be cute. Do the two little hearts, love, and then you. I don't know if I fit all that on there, but we're gonna work this. We're gonna work this in. So we're going to work this in, okay? And for those of you who don't know how to actually apply it, it has it here. It tells you how to apply it. So basically, the instructions is saying to apply to a clear nail, a clear natural nail or polish. Excuse me, guys, polished nail. Select the design and place onto the desired location, which is the second number 2. Number 3 says apply even and firm. Press all around the sticker, and then it will just stick on there. Then it says finish with any top coat of your choice. That's number 4. So number 1 is applying to a clear nail, a clear natural nail or polished nail. And then number 2, selecting the design and place on the desired location. Number 3, apply even and firm, press all around the sticker. Number 4, finish with any top coat of your choice. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to pick a location where we're going to put all of this at. So let's see, guys. Do we want it to be facing this way? Ooh, I'm a little nervous. I need to pick this up with this. So this is the love. I think I want to do something like sideways something. Ooh. That looks cute already. And let's look for, I gotta get the sticker off. Oh, this one comes a little hard on me already. Maybe I can put this here. I'm trying to get it on there, y'all. Ooh, I like that. So I'm gonna leave that like that. Y'all, I like that. Ooh. And just press it. It says press it down. Alright, I'm going to put that underneath the UV light so that I can cure you guys. And we're going to look at the finished touch to the nail, you guys. I'm so excited. I like it. So, once again, it is ombre with these two colors that I had, the fusion pink and the electric purple that I used to do ombre. And it's a vertical ombre. I will actually list, excuse me, you guys. I'm going to also list the colors of the acrylic in the description box, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm not like burping and doing all that craziness. You guys, excuse me. Don't come for me. Okay, so just wanted to show you guys how I actually did the vertical ombre acrylic on the nail and adding the stickers that I got from the dollar store. I saw it in Sally's, but it was expensive, and I remembered that like a week ago I went to the dollar store and I was looking like for polish and different little stuff, you know, something to try a little new, and I noticed that they had the same thing, so I got it. I was like, huh, the dollar store got the exact same thing, just different. It's just a different style. So it was a different style. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try it out. But I can get it for $1 versus paying what, $5, $6, $7, $8 for just one little thing. Why not get it at a dollar store? You know? So yeah. Alright, the light is already done. So now we're gonna go ahead and take one of our cotton balls out. I'm gonna use that with the alcohol. And we're gonna clean off the stickiness of the nail. I'll also do it underneath because the nail underneath is where we...
It looks pretty good. That came out real good, y'all. And if y'all are still watching this video and you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe so you can stay updated to every video that I'll be posting on Saturdays and Sundays, you guys. So don't forget to hit that subscribe. Don't forget to turn your bell notification on. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. To like this video, to let me know that you like this video. Drop me a comment down below or send me little hearts as well down below, just to let your girl, show your girl some love and let your girl know that you saw the video to the end of the video. Give me some hearts for Valentine down below in the comment box. Yes, and check your girl out. Definitely we'll put pictures as well in there so you guys can see, and you can see the ombre. You guys see each and every one of you guys next week, Saturday and Sunday. Y'all have a good one. Bye.